Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing the iPad mini 6th generation. Now this iPad is extremely good, but it is a pretty expensive as it's an Apple product though. Like $799 for 64 gigabytes, and it's about over $1,000 if you want 256. And it comes in space grey, blue, purple, and starlight. I chose space grey because I have everything else in space grey, like my laptop, iPad. They don't have that as an option for a phone, I think. I don't know if they're in blue. Now, firstly, if we take a look at the Apple Pencil. Now this does work with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, not the Apple Pencil Pro, which is annoying. You actually have to get the iPad 6th generation with the chip called? It has the chip is a lot faster, but this Apple Pencil, like, I have not noticed a difference. Like when I go to the Apple store, find it just has the only difference is it says Apple Pencil Pro that I can work out. I don't know much differences. Now it can take good photos. Like if I get a photo of the logo, see it has all the details. Pretty good photo, and the background was also done on here, so this was actually shot on the iPad. If we look at games, it can open games pretty fast and it can play games, and it can also use all the Apple apps that a normal iPad can. Now, originally when I bought this, I saw this as a small iPad Air, but the box does look very different. Actually, when I was unboxing this, I realized how small this box actually is, but it still feels extremely premium. Like, this box is tiny. Like, it's almost the size of it's like a very large phone box, but like, I'm surprised this figure even fits in here. But this box is so small, but it still looks really nice. And the iPad, like, I remember back when this was released, I actually thought it was really good because I actually used to have an iPad mini years and years and years ago, and it was a lot old, and I actually thought Apple discontinued them, but they actually came back with an iPad mini 6th generation, and I never thought that would happen. It was a couple years ago when they came back with it. But now, I do think the iPad mini is worth it if you want something that's very nice and portable, because a lot of other devices aren't as portable. For example, the iPad Pro, like if you have a small handbag, you cannot fit an iPad Pro in there, but it's a lot more powerful and it's a lot more premium. So if you have lots of work, I would definitely recommend that instead of this. But if you want a nice, very powerful iPad, it's not as powerful as the iPad Pro, but it's still really powerful. It's really good, and yeah, it can fit everywhere. It has the Apple Pencil, and unlike the iPad 10, it actually works with the magnetic charging, which is really good. So I do recommend it. It's worth it. It's a bit expensive, but it's definitely worth it for an Apple product that's extremely portable. But if you do want to get something a bit larger and you don't want to spend as much money, I would recommend the iPad 10th gen, but it's not going to be as powerful as this, but it would be a bit larger. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.